Koio Capri is a popular shoe from Koio and one of my favorite minimalist sneakers. The pair in this exclusive sneaker unboxing is the Capri Lunar New Year in white, highlighted by bold red components and a small illustration of a rabbit, commemorating 2023's zodiac, Year of the Rabbit, which also happens to be my zodiac animal. And so I'm beyond thrilled to be partnering with Koio on this project to bring to light this exclusive limited edition colorway. The sneaker looks to have every bit of the Koio Capri's look and feel, from the signature silhouette down to the logo icon and the logotype detailing on the shoe tongue and the back tab. If you look more closely at the sneaker, you'll see a thin golden accent along the back of the shoe under the red leather tab. It's a subtle Lunar New Year detail that doesn't go unnoticed. Switching gears, the Koio Capri's sleek, minimal silhouette always looks fresh on feet, whether you're rocking them with a pair of dark wash jeans or elevated joggers. The low-profile trainer silhouette is among the most versatile types of sneakers that you can wear, and Koio's is ultra clean. All Koio Capri sneakers are handmade in Tuscany, constructed and lined with Italian leather, gold and silver certified from the Leather Working Group, which essentially means that they're responsibly tanned in factories with sustainability in mind. That's always what you like to hear when it comes to leather footwear. Speaking of the leather, it has a soft, supple feeling. The stitching across the outsole through the upper is tight to ensure water resistance, and the shoe's lining is fully leather as well. There's also a removable insole with the Koio Made in Italy stamp that provides added comfort and durability. All things told, I'm really digging this sweet limited edition pair of Koio Capris, so be sure to check them out as they just dropped today. I want to thank Koio for sponsoring this video. I've got another sneaker related video for you on the left and another one that you might like on the right, so be sure to go and check one of those out. And if you enjoyed this, be sure to lightly tap that like button. That's all I got for this video. Cheers to your style, and I will see you next year. Peace.